to head on down here to Authentic Builders straight up until 4 p.m. They've got the best deals. Something that they're offering that morning on Boxing Day, right? And that is a champion breakfast. You know who's going to be bringing that for you? I want to hear the line, and I want you all to tell me who this is. Tell me the line.
On the side.
That's it. That's it. So the champion breakfast is going to be on the side because we're giving you that on Boxing Day. Hi, going out to Uncle Kailash. How are you this wonderful afternoon?
Yes, I'm good.
Right, so you work together with the Authentic Builders team. How long have you been a part of this family here?
Yeah, for more than a year.
Right, so you've been a part of the family for more than a year, doing ads, being the face of the company as well. On the side, we're giving you everything on the side right now.
On the side.
So that is the energy that we need. So tell me, how long have you known Authentic Builders? And were you a part of, the Authentic Builders clientele even before you became a part of the family?
Yes. I was there buying stuff all the time, and then after they saw me and they said, well, come and make an ad for them, and I said, from there we like family.
Like family. What to see you on Boxing Day, so you're bringing breakfast first.
Yes, definitely I'll be there.
So we're going to be seeing him sharing some breakfast, and along with everything else that will be happening on Boxing Day, we don't want you all to miss this Boxing Day sale, because Uncle Kailash is going to be there, I am going to be there, Singing 106.1 FM is going to be there, Artie's is going to be there. Like I'm hungry all now, and you know we all about food.
Yes, it's only champion breakfast that morning.
It's only champion. We have everything for the champion.